like it. Just talking about like that. Hey guys, it is day 57. We are back on trail-ish. We're at Reds Meadows, walking like the 500 feet back to the PCT or whatever. Found my wide angle lens. Hello, yay! Very exciting. Didn't get to replace the trekking pole. Dave's trying to put in a warranty claim, so we'll see how that goes. Just means I have to carry a broken trekking pole on my back, which is annoying because I don't want to carry stuff that I don't need, and I don't need a broken trekking pole. In more exciting news, in 2 days or 3 days, we should get to Toulumne Meadows, where we're going to head into the Yosemite Valley. Ooh. And we just met up with Mo and Miko, who are just heading into Mammoth today. So they're only like 1 day or half a day behind us, depending on how quick they do their resupply. Yay! We're very close to having a tramily back. Woohoo! I feel really weird because we're in Reds Meadow, like right next to the Devil's Post Pile, and apparently that's like a crazy popular place to like come down and visit and hike around. And I've just been singing and dancing, and like there's so many people around looking at me weird, and I don't know. It's strange to see people like so happy to be where they are. I'm used to just like seeing very, very small amounts of people, sometimes no one. And if I do see people, they look just worn out and like maybe they need a break and like kind of happy to be there, but really looking forward to getting the hell out. So it's weird to be here. Like super hard to do around here in these populated areas is go to the bathroom, because usually you just kind of like do it wherever. It doesn't really matter because no one's around, and even if there are, they're all kind of like long distance hikers and everyone knows the deal. You're just like, yep, okay. If you accidentally see a butt, you just keep on going. There's no big deal, but I don't think regular people want to see my butt. I should be banned from walking. I freaking suck at it. Not even the trekking poles help. I just keep stacking it all day, every day. So it's our first day back on trail, which means we're being gourmet. We got an everything bagel, avocado, continental cucumber, and truss tomatoes, because if your tomatoes are not coming on the vine, like why even bother? Oh, and of course a little bit of hot sauce, as per usual, for a little bit of seasoning, you know. It's just what you got to do. So I kind of really wanted to see the Devil's Post Pile, but Dave and I just totally missed it. We were too busy talking about what we're going to do when we get back home. I really want a road bike and to cycle heaps. And we just got talking too much about that and totally forgot to like look up at the scenery, apparently. Oops. But I'm not going back. It's like 6 miles away and I'd rather die than backtrack. So Hey guys, it is day 58 and we are at 1000 Island Lake. Ooh, I wonder if they have some good sauce here. What are you doing, Dave? We made it to the top of 1000 Island Pass.
Yep.
Woo! Exciting. It was, I think, the most thrilling pass that we have done so far. What do you reckon, Dave?
I didn't even know it was a pass. We've done hills bigger than this.
Hey, we did like 2 switchbacks. What are you doing?
Trying to multitask and failing.
Nice. Guess where we are, guys? 11,000 feet up on top of Donahue Pass. Woo! We've left John Muir and we're officially in Ansel Adams Wilderness. Yay! Thanks for taking such nice photos, bro, and like saving all of this nature for us to hike in a billion years later. You're a total legend.
What a
Cheers.
day.
Legend has it that Ansel Adams and John Muir had a little bit of an affair up here on Donahue Pass and had a little baby boy who became the second president of the United States, John Adams.
I love the way you dance. I love the way you sing. I love the way you drool in your sleep. When upon my chest your tired head you do rest.
It is day 59 and we are walking towards Quarter Dome in Yosemite National Park. Actually, we're going to the office to hopefully apply for a walk-in permit to climb Half Dome. See how that goes. Wish us luck. We woke up at 5 a.m, the earliest we've done in a very long time. And we camped out at the ranger station. They open at 8 a.m. And we got Half Dome passes! Woo! High five! So we got our permits to climb Half Dome, which also includes a wilderness permit, which gives us the ability to camp anywhere on the specified trail that's listed on a permit. So the ranger told us that we can access Half Dome via the Cathedral Lakes and I think Sunrise Trail, which is essentially just the John Muir Trail that goes all the way into Little Yosemite Valley, which is where we were planning on catching the bus to this morning, and then doing the short hike to Half Dome. But apparently you can only do it from one way, have to start here and end there. And there are a buttload of rangers, and I want to be friendly with them, who are kind of considering just taking the bus all the way down into the valley and then climbing back up. But we'll do the right thing. I think it's better that way. Plus, this way we get to hike more of Yosemite, about 20 miles. And once we get up to Cathedral Lakes, I think it should be downhill from there, which is nice, instead of all uphill. And just like the PCT, the JMT can get a new nickname, the Just Mud Trail. Yum. Mud.
Annoyed.
Why?
I took a spill off a log because I was just, I don't know, being a bit silly because my shoes have almost no tread on them, I guess, as well, and banged up my knee and my shin.
Let us have a look, huh?
Bit of blood there.
Yeah.
Shin looks like it's kind of rashed up.
Did a good one. He did some roly-polies, some somersaults.
Oh yeah, caught all the little stumps on the side of the tree.
So this is life now. Head net and frog togs in hot weather because there are so many bloody mosquitoes. Gah! They are so awful. They're just everywhere, just big, like clouds of them. Clouds of mosquitoes. So here we are, about, I think, just under 2 miles, or maybe 2.5, I'm not sure, away from Half Dome. It's just chilling over there with the sun setting behind it.
Near the trailhead.
We're gonna do it tomorrow morning, hopefully, if it's not too slippery. Maybe a little bit later. We'll see how the conditions are. We just talked to someone who said it was slippery coming down at about now, so it's about 6. Yeah, very excited. Ooh, how excited are you for Half Dome?
I'm super excited, actually.
Yeah.
I'm also super excited about the fact that apparently there's no mosquitoes up there.
Yay!
Did you see that one hovering away? It's like this big.
No, I didn't.
It's like, looked like a weather machine or something.
Hey guys, it is day 61. Apparently I've had my days mixed up and I've been saying one day before it actually is. So yesterday was actually day 60. Whatever, it's day 61. We're climbing Half Dome. Yay!
Singing around my head, we're awake.
Dave and I were talking earlier about stacking it, about falling, and what our first thought is, the initial like panicked thought. Usually you kind of go like, oh shit, I'm falling, I'm gonna die. But we've fallen so many times now that the initial thought, the initial reaction as you just start to trip is, God damn it, again, like seriously. And mine specifically is, fuck, I hate snow. Even if we're not in snow anymore. I've just fallen so much on snow now that that's just my initial response. I trip on a log and I'm like, gosh, I hate snow.